Small people on the ground crying, we begging, holding out, see the faking coming. But the heads are going slavery, meaning now the slave is cutting. Why don't we stop it? I mean, what can we do to solve it? Can't just sit around looking at old pictures, talking about the old years. Time is now, there's people getting chopped up and locked up. And you're this small that you can barely get up. And there's a child sick and starving, and there ain't no problem farming. The pain is real, so don't try to act like nothing happened. We didn't get much credit, got neglected and left back. And now still you think it's hectic? Cause I would upon the enemies to make them regret that they stop the things. Wanna come take our place and I would wanna shoot down my race. The boy, they pick me up, my people getting dropped. Every day it's non-stop. TV fucking child guys in the middle, what's the fight? Holocaust, the aftermath of my people path got me here, but never lost a chance. They think it's fake, but it up. No matter what you can't chance will pass. Yeah, I know it's getting right. Coming into America, speaking in different languages. All we want is a little piece of justice. And it gets so hard to watching people crying little by little. And every time we count the dollars, things that people turn. We've been through enough, and maybe that's why we became this tough. And I'm finished my part, it's up to you to complete it. And it's like you told us, nobody wanna mess with the little angels, cause we were born to be so.